Just replying to a text here.
Yeah, it doesn't help that the cast is holding about, I'd say, up to a ½ inch of water. Not bad, but normally that wouldn't be an issue, right?
Yeah.
But when you got bellies, it doesn't help.
So the cast is actually, when you said, is it under the floor here, did you say?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep, everything that